I found this bag. This is my mom's bag now. She was borrowing me when I was taking my grandma to the clinic. And this is the bag that I have. And my tripod, it is 12 inches. So, and I want to take water too. So I'm going to take everything out of here and put it in here. And these in here too. And then I'm gonna get toilet paper, put it in here. And we are done. So yep, we are done. This is the bag, so I'm going to put it like this. You see how it's big, this tripod. So my small bag it doesn't work when I want to really vlog. And today I want to really vlog because I'm tired of not having enough content. So yeah, today is a busy day and I feel so good today. Maybe it's that allergics, it helped me, but my eyes are still sensitive. They're so sensitive, especially this one. It is still sensitive. I need to be careful. And yeah, I'm done. I'll see you live some part 2.
That is when
Cause I had
Babies, we are back from the mall. I got this. Oh, I did not read. But when I'm reading, it's very important. I didn't see how it said lip oil. Like right here, it says lip oil. You see, lip oil. I got this. It was 10 rands. I got another mask because I want to do 2 videos of self-care day. So yeah, the other one will be first self-care day when I'm in the maintenance vlog. So I got this one. That was good. Hopefully they don't break me out. Eyes are just not okay. I got Panados. I cut them in half. And then I got paracetamols because these eyes are giving me headaches and I have a toothache. So yeah. And I got the Allergex eye drops. Hopefully they help. And I got another perfume. This one. It smells good, babas. It smells so good. It is 35 mils. Like, it smells so good. And it is sweet. I told you what I love sweet scents, but not that sweet. Oh, they gave us free scratching tampons, these things, at ShopRite. So yeah, we are going to scratch them and see what happens. And that is all that I got. That is all. If you love on another video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.